Hello, this is Shaylin 3D Praying, and welcome to Pray in the Week, episode 68, Articulated Bunny. Okay, so the print's done, so I'm going to go ahead and grab it off the bed. This is an articulated bunny. I figured it would go pretty well with this time of year, with it being Easter. And then the body does move around, and then the ears also have some separate joints that you can move around. So what do you guys think of this? Go and let me know in the comments. If you liked the video, go and leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.